Welcome back to my channel. Today we're here in Laguna Bel Air Force, Santa Rosa, Laguna to feature this brand new modern design home. Tara po, simulan na natin ang ating house tour. If you're looking to move to the south and gusto nyo po na malapit sa New Valley area, well, you might like this property. This is located inside Laguna Bel Air Force, Santa Rosa, Laguna, easily accessible to Cavite Laguna Expressway, Santa Rosa exit, and also Eton City exit. Napakalapit po niya sa malls, schools, and also hospitals. Now, this property sits in a lot area of 121 square meters. It has a floor area of 148 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 1 carport, a service area, a spacious living and dining area, and you also have your full utilized kitchen. Napaganda po nito. Tara, simulan na natin ang ating external house tour. Let's begin with admiring the facade of the property. This is actually modern design, exterior finish as compared dun sa mga houses within the area of Laguna Bel Air, which is American design. Ito po, napaka-modern na design po niya. But still, yung bubong po natin, ang required po kasi ito is tigula. So, ang bubong natin is tigula. Ang maganda naman with tigula, maganda po dyan, pag umuulan, tahimik po siya or hindi nyo masyadong rinig yung raindrops pag nasa loob ng bahay. Now, as you can see, unahan po natin, it's still open. Meron lang po siyang mga balcony pag sides and at the back. And then yung front po natin, it's open. Meron po part dyan na naka-turf grass, which is meron pong tiles. So you can still siguro park your bikes, park siguro isang pa niyo po yung isa yung kotse. And then you can park your other car here, which can easily fit your SUV and also your sedan. And siguro your own motorcycles and also your bike. Now, on that far side, this is actually a additional room na pwede nyo convert into a maid's room. Pwede nyo po siya lagyan ng pintana if you want, or you can just keep it open. Pwede siyang storage na mga gamit nyo. Now, the owner kept it that way so that it will give the new buyers or the buyers of this property flexibility on what they would like to do. Now, as you can also see, there's also a landscaping already available. So, if you're the type of person na gusto nyo may halaman, napakaganda po nito kasi nakaayos na po siya. Hindi nyo na po kailangan baguhin, hindi nyo na po kailangan i-adjust. It's very, very nice. So, let's explore this side of the property. Now, hindi na po tayo pupunta doon, pero on this side is you still have your garden. And dito po, you have an access going inside the house to your living area na may sliding glass door. And then on the farther side, or doon deeper, will be your service area, which has an access to your kitchen. Napakaganda po niya. It's very nice. I like the way the house is layouted. And ang maganda po dito, for this property, this is an elegant finish type of property. So, napakaganda po niya. And then you would wonder bakit ang napakamahal niya. It's because of the finishes that the owner has put into the house. So, tara, let's explore the ground floor. As we enter the house, as you can see that you have a very welcoming pedestrian. You have your very nice patio with dark gray tiles. And you have this solid wood door na napakatibay, napakaligas. So, tara, pasok tayo. One of the things that I like about this house is the open layout. Ang ganda po kasi talaga ng open layout. Number 1, aliwas po siya. Number 2, it gives you that space for creativity to adjust where you want to put your dining, and also your living area. But this one, kitang-kita nyo naman po, napakaganda po niya. You can place your living area on this side. And what's nice about this is you have a multitude of windows, so it's very, very nice. Napakaganda. And as you can see, you have your LED lights, you have this accent wall here with your cladding, and also you have your stone finish or marble finish here. You also have this side, as move a little bit here. This will be your proposed dining area. You can easily fit your 6-seater or 8-seater dining table. And now right beside it would be your stairs, which has a small garden space that gives you that warm feeling or cozy feeling inside the house. Hindi lang po puro bato, hindi lang po puro plants, hindi lang po puro bakal na sa loob bahay. But you have plants or living plants inside the house that gives you that warm and natural feeling pag nasa loob ng bahay nyo. And dito rin po sa ground floor natin, we have our kitchen with your quartz countertop. We have your modular cabinet with your matte finish paint na napakaganda. And then you also have your LED lighting na nag-iinaw po dito sa ating ilalim na cabinets. You have your Elba range hood, you have your Elba oven, and also cooktop. You have your dual sink, you have your faucet na meron po siyang hose. And ako dito rin po sa hindi dyan natatapos ang ating ground floor. Maganda rin po to. This is one of my favorite parts of the house. This is your ground floor bedroom with a secret garden. This is actually one of the things that I wanted to add into my own house before, pero kulang lang sa budget. Pero ang ganda po nito. Just imagine, staying here, sleeping here, and you have a view of the outside. May lighting ba dyan? You have a view of the greeneries. Napakagandang feeling sa mata, nakakagana loob, nakaka-relax. All of the bedrooms pala in the house is inclusive of your air conditioning and your cabinetry. And in this bedroom, you have an access to the common toilet and bath. Now, ito pong common toilet and bath po natin is shared for the guests and also for the ones staying in the ground floor bedroom. It's fully designed, tiles all the way up. You have your mirror, you have your cabinet on your sink, you have your sink, your toilet, you have your shower. Napakaganda po niyan. And what's nice about this common toilet and bath is the barnyard sliding door na may frosted glass. Ang ganda ng mga finishes ng bahay na to. I invite you to go and visit it. Tara, let's explore the second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Here we have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. But before we explore that, let's just admire the stairs. The stairs is made out of cement, and also you have your wooden steps. I think this is made of mahogany because this is very common right now with newly built houses. The railings is built out of metal, which is just painted to look like it's wood. Now, ang ganda po ng stairs po natin because you have a 3-panel glass that allows the light to go inside the house. You also have your chandelier. And hindi lang po yan. Meron po tayo na lighting on the steps so that during the night time, kitang-kita niyo po kung saan kayo tumatapak. Now, let's first explore the first bedroom of the second floor. Beginning with this one, it's just a good-sized bedroom. It can easily fit your single bed or semi-double bed. You already have your air conditioning. You have 2 windows, good-sized windows. You have your SPC wood flooring. And you also have your full-size cabinet. This is more than regular full-size cabinet. Kasya po dito for 2 people. Sobrang luwag po niya. Talagang tamang-tama. You have your LED lights and you also have a provision for your center light. It's para makapag-design ka or you can personalize it by yourself. Now, right beside it would be the common toilet and bath. Almost the same design as the one on the ground floor. I think this is the same size. You have your countertop, you have your sink, you also have your toilet, you have your glass partition, you have your mirror, you also have your shower, you also have your niche here on the side wherein you can place your soap, your shampoo, or anything that you would like. Now, right beside the common toilet and bath, right across the first bedroom of the second floor, would be the third bedroom of the house. This is very nice. Again, similar size as the first bedroom of the second floor. Slightly bigger, a little bit bigger. Full-size cabinet, guys. Good for 2 people. You can place your semi-double bed here or single bed, depending on how you want to save the space. You also have your air conditioning LED lights. Again, your provision for your center light here and your SPC wood flooring. 2 windows. Napakaganda, napakaliwalas ang bahay nito. Now, I'm really excited to show you this one because it's the most awaited part of most of my clients. This is the master's bedroom with a very, very huge space. Kasyang-kasya po ang ating king-size bed. You have your own air conditioning. You have your own balcony. You have your stone finish, this marble finish on your bedroom, which is an accent wall with your cladding. You can place your king-size bed here. You can put on the other side maybe a sitting couch, a desk, where you can work before in the morning or during daytime. Now, also here in the bedroom will be your walk-in closet. So, tara.
Again, they are utilizing a good utilization of space. Ang ganda po niya, they use the barnyard door. Now again, sorry, I forgot, yung isang side pala na yun, it can be your TV area. And this one will be your sleeping area kasi meron po lighting dito sa side na nakikita. So you can place your king size bed there, pwede po siya. Now this is your walk-in closet. It's good size, it's enough space for your for ladies, tamang-tama lang po siya. But if you have more, you can convert one of the rooms to be your closet. So ang dami po yung space. You already have your lighting. You have your studio lights there, shining over your bags or mga magaganda yung bags. Now, as we walk a little bit further, we have our master toilet and bath, which is slightly bigger as compared to the first bathrooms, which you saw in their house. You have your sliding glass enclosure. You also have your shower. You have a bigger sink. You have a bigger mirror. You have your toilet.
Thank you very much for watching this house tour. If you would like to see this property in the actual, or you would like to go on an online presentation, I would like to invite you to contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. We have our Viber, WhatsApp, and also our iMessage. If you also would like to see the property that we're selling, you can go on our social media pages. We have our Facebook, Instagram, and we have our website. Now, if you're still looking around and you would just like to get updated with the latest properties we're selling, promos and launches, you can visit or you can join our Viber community. The link is on the description box, comment section. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye, guys!